In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim for options trading. Before you do anything inside the platform, make sure your brokerage account is approved for options trading. Log into your account, apply for options approval if you have not already done that, and wait until the approval is completed before trying to place any options orders. This matters because options trading requires specific permissions, and the platform setup will only be useful once your account is enabled. Once that is taken care of, open Thinkorswim desktop and go to the Trade tab. From there, select all products, enter the stock symbol you want to analyze, and expand the option chain section. This is where you will view available expiration dates and strike prices, and it is the main area most options traders use to build trades. Next, customize the option chain so it is easier to read. The default layout can feel crowded, so click the gear icon on the option chain and add or remove columns based on what you actually use. Common columns many traders like to keep visible include delta, gamma, theta, vega, open interest, volume, bid, ask, and mark price. After adjusting the view, save your preferred layout so you do not have to repeat the process later. You should also increase the number of strike prices displayed. Look for the strikes drop-down above the chain and choose a wider setting if needed. This is especially helpful if you trade credit spreads, debit spreads, iron condors, or long calls, and puts that are farther away from the current price. After that, set up your charting workspace. Open the Charts tab and add a few commonly used moving averages, the 9 EMA, 21 EMA, 50 SMA, and 200 SMA. Then add volume, VW, if you are more focused on day trading, and RSI if you want an extra momentum indicator. Together, these can help you read trend, momentum, and participation before entering an options trade. To improve your decision making, create a multi-timeframe chart layout. A practical